What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 things to do while you're in Florida. Those of you who don't know me, my name is Stephanie and I am currently living in the state of Florida. The first thing that I would suggest for people who are not from Florida or who want to travel more within Florida is Devil's Den. It's called Devil's Den Prehistoric Spring. A spring that's underground in a cave, and I'll insert a picture so you guys can see. It is absolutely stunning when you walk down into the cave and see the spring. I suggest that you go very early in the morning during a weekday when nobody's there. This is such a popular place, especially for school tours and for people to visit, so I would suggest that you go when it opens. It's absolutely freezing. I do have a vlog of Devil's Den. I will put it somewhere up here so you guys can check out my vlog from Devil's Den. I think this is something that everybody who's visiting Florida should experience, and in the description I'll have some more information. The second place that I would suggest you go to while visiting Florida is St. Augustine. I'm sure you've heard of it before, the Fountain of Youth. It's a very popular place with a fort, a really great winery there called San Sebastian Winery. I love getting some bottles of wine when I go there. They also have really great camping and lights throughout the city during the winter time that I think are absolutely stunning, so I highly recommend it. The third place that I would recommend that you visit is Orlando. Of course. Disneyland, Disney World, Universal, but my favorite is Fun Spot. And the reason why I love Fun Spot so much is because, in my opinion, they have one of the most thrilling rides, the Sky Coaster. It's so fun, it is so high. You can fit 3 people on this ride and it stands at 300 feet. So basically you're laying like Superman. They bring you up to the top of this 300-foot kind of dome looking thing and then you free fall. And for a thrill seeker like me, it's definitely worth the money. I think it's about $40 each, but you might get discounts with multiple people riding, so it's worth looking into. Number 4 is Weeki Wachee. Weeki Wachee is also another spring. What Weeki Wachee is known for is their mermaid show. And it's really, really awesome and interesting to learn the history behind how they built this dome for these mermaid shows. And it dates pretty far back. I think it was the 1940s, and I'm looking on the website so I can give you some accurate information. So Weeki Wachee Springs State Park has been there since 1947, so since the 40s. So the mermaids swim in a natural spring, 500-seat theater, underground, under the spring, and you can see the mermaids doing their show. It's actually pretty cool. Newton Perry, a former U.S. Navy man who trained SEALs to swim underwater in World War II, zeroed in on Weeki Wachee as a good site for a new business. He invented a method of breathing underwater from a hose, supplying oxygen from an air compressor rather than a tank strapped onto the back. Park visitors can also swim at the on-site water park, see an animal or reptile show, and take a boat ride down Weeki Wachee River where they might spot green-blue herons, manatees, and alligators. A lot to do there. I had a great time watching the reptile show, even watching the mermaid show, sliding down the slide, swimming in the spring. There's kayaking, a lot to do. And last but not least is Everglades National Park. There's so much to do out in nature. One of my favorite things to do is taking a tram ride through Everglades. The tour guides are very knowledgeable about the ecosystem in the Everglades, about the animals, and it's not only educational, it's a nice ride, it's cool to learn about, and I think just a great experience overall. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys will try out some of my suggestions. If you want a part 2, make sure to like this video, hit the notification bell, and comment on what video you want me to do next. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!